Hello everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope you guys had a great trading day today. Welcome. Hey Tamara, welcome. All right guys, let's go over the markets. All right. Now it looks like we might have a rotation, guys, okay, out of, out of large cap. So we'll take a quick look at that, okay? All right, let me share my screen. All right. As far as the indexes, guys, the Dow was up 243 points up today. Nasdaq was down in a big way. All right, Nasdaq was down a little over 2%. That's a big down day. Almost 3%, 2.75 percent. S&P was down and the Russell was down also. Okay, let's take a look at the indexes here. Okay, so the S&P was down, still holding its trend line. All right, so S&P still holding. All right, hopefully we get a bounce tomorrow from the trend line. All green candles. So another major concern. All right, a bit of a pullback, but I'll show you guys what's going on with some of the large cap stocks, the mega caps. Okay, on the Nasdaq, it did break through its trend line. Again, another major concern. We're still holding our buy signal here. And hey, Taj, welcome, Taj. We did break through that trend line, green candle there. So just be aware of that. Not major selling yet in the indexes. But just remember, S&P and NASDAQ, guys, they've been running for a while. Those are your mega caps, large caps, so they're due for a pullback. The Dow holding firm. The Dow was up pretty big today. Our US 30 traders, if you're in that long trade on the 60-minute on the E-mini US 30, you're doing great. All right, you're doing absolutely great. We'll take a look at that trade also this evening. The IWM, the Russell, we've been talking about small caps, right? Buy signal here broke out. Was down for the day, but still holding firm. And what we would like to see now is a rotation out of large caps into small caps, okay? Small cap stocks. However, right, if selling comes in heavy on the S&P and the NASDAQ, all right, and these large cap stocks, we got some sell signals and a few of them today. If that comes down, the market will eventually come on down, okay, including small caps. The VIX volatility index, this is not good for the VIX, all right? So we got a green candle today on the VIX. So we've got increased volatility coming in. That's not good for equities, okay? So remember, as the VIX, when the VIX moves higher, all right, that's increased volatility, bad for stocks, okay? So VIX is currently at 1448. That's a jump from about 11, 12 right here, all the way down here. So it's moving higher. That's a concern. This is the first green candle. The last green candle we had was back in, what's that, May, all right, May the 30th. And then before that, all the way back April, okay? So we need to stay below 20. And I know we are a long way from 20 right now. But just be aware, increased volatility, not good for stocks, okay? Overall, sectors are doing good, all right? Sectors are doing good. Financials, if you guys look here, Financials is perhaps the best looking sector. It's not the number one sector, but it's the best sector that's holding firm. So here's financials, nice break of resistance here, good buy signal, and 3 solid days of buying. All right, great candles here. Okay, so financials looks really good, especially small caps. All right, okay. Let's go through current positions, guys, and then we'll take a look at what's going on with some of these large cap stocks, okay? USD JPY in Monster Scalper. All right, close that trade, please. USD JPY. We'll look for short opportunities, possible short opportunities in the yen pairs. But we've got to be careful, all right? I want to make sure the long trade is over with these yen pairs. Okay, so USD JPY buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Broke support, red candle came in here with a sell signal to get out. All right, so sellers are coming in heavy. We'll see. This is probably a great short here. Well, based on the price action here, we know this was a great short. Those of you who caught it, good. We haven't called any shorts. No shorts yet. So we'll see if we can find some short opportunities. Okay, so exit USD JPY, close that trade, please. That was the only long we had on the 60-minute, on the 240. We also have USD JPY. I'm sorry, we have Aussie New Zealand. All right, so Aussie New Zealand first. That closed. Great trade here. All right, buy signal was all the way down here from the markdown phase. So good trade here. All right, good markdown phase, buy signal, perfect buy signal here on a break of resistance. And not a bad sell signal. So red candles came in, broke support. Support is about right here. Sell signal, white arrow by the system to get out. So we bought here, sold here, great trade. Lots of pips there. So Aussie, New Zealand, closed the trade, please. All right, Euro Swiss, that trade closed. That's too bad. Nice markdown phase here. Look at that. Beautiful markdown phase. This was reaccumulation. First trade, bought here, sold here. We were looking for a buy signal here, which we got on a break of this resistance to move higher. Right here, but broke support, red candle, sell signal was right here. So bought here, sold here, small loss. We should be out of this trade. If anyone is in this trade, you should be totally out. This trade, they love to short it, Euro Swiss, so we don't want that to continue to move high, lower, so close the trade, please. EUR, CHF. We do have a few longs in the yen pairs in Forex Dominator. So things might be rotating, guys. SGD JPY. SGD JPY. Sell signal came in today. All right, so buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Buy signal. Sellers came in, broke support. We'll call this support. Red candle, sell signal. Bought here, sold here. Great trade. Close the trade, please. In Forex Dominator. SGD, JPY. Pound yen is still holding. Good trade here. Buy signal here. all right, and is holding firm here. Those are, if you're in it, I mean, you can close it, but you know, you could get a bounce. The yen pairs are closing these long positions, so it's up to you guys. Okay, Aussie yen closed today also. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. So Aussie yen. So you guys see what's going on. These yen pairs are closing, and when they're closing on that daily time frame, that's a big deal. All right. On the 60-minute, not a big deal. 240, right? We really start to pay attention, right? As far as a rotation out of the pairs. When they start closing on that daily time frame like this here, that's a big deal. Okay? All right. All right, let's see here. Okay. Equities, stock boss. I don't know if I want to go through. Let's go through. These stocks were just added. So let's see what's going on with large caps. That's the concern right now, these large caps. Lots of selling came in today with large caps. So we want to make sure that they're holding. All right. So let's do large caps today. So Bull Master, that's holding right here. I'm going to, let's open this up so you guys can see the symbols. All right, that's better. AMKR, that's holding. All right, CLS, a big white candle today, guys. Keep an eye on it. Buy signal is here. And then here is your trend line. We need a bounce, okay? But if the market is down today, especially S&P and NASDAQ, that's tech, okay? We could see this give a red candle sell signal. So it's up to you guys. Purple support and resistance. It is extended. A lot of these large cap stocks, big cap stocks have been extended. They've been moving up for a while. All right, so expect some selling. HOHR, that's holding. CYBR, that's holding right at resistance. Keep an eye on it. I know it's got green candles there. However, we're right at that resistance level, okay? So right at resistance, this is where sellers came in before, here, and here we are. So we need to get past that resistance level. Keep an eye on it, especially with selling coming in. Robin Hood is holding firm. That looks good. LRCX, that closed today, guys. Okay, so buy signal was here, sell signal, gap down. Nothing you can do about that when it gaps down, but you got to close it. All right, that trade is over. Buy signal here, sell signal. So buy signal came in at 990. Sell signal right at 1,010. Close the trade, please. LRCK. Okay, close the trade. MPWR, same thing. White candle here. Just keep an eye on it. Need a bounce. This one is holding. NVO, sell signal came in today. Close the trade. NVO, buy signal was right here. Gap down, broke support, red candle, close the trade. Okay, guys? All right, just take your small profit or small loss, get out. These stocks can come on down a lot. So when we get our sell signals, we've got to get out. PENN, that's holding for now. PSTG, close the trade, please. All right. Buy signal was here at $55. Red candle broke support right here. Sell signal. This white arrows over sell signal. Close the trade. Take the profit. It's over. PSTG. Royal Caribbean still holding. Buy signal here. It's holding firm for now. Okay. All right. Still with Bullmaster, but Bullmaster Pro large cap. All right. So Apple is holding firm. Buy signal here. We got in about right here. Let's move this. Purple support and resistance is coming in. Just be aware of that. Amazon gave a red candle. Okay, guys. So close the trade. All right. Buy signal was here right on a break of this resistance, 191. Close today at 187. Close the trade. Okay. Now, we've got to pay attention to these mega cap stocks closing out like this. Okay, we always have to keep in the back of our mind our seasonality, where we are, right, in the cycle. All right, so right now we're in the summer months. This June, July, August, September, especially August and September is where we see a lot of the corrections in the markets, meaning selling. Okay, so usually the markets will make highs, and they've done that. All right, in going into May, right? Sell in May and go away. Okay, so selling coming in July, and we're in July right now. That's not good. Okay, all right, and just remember, these traders, these big institutions, just like we take vacations in the summer months, they take vacations. So they're not trading like normally, like what they would do normally. Okay, so they'll get back into the markets back in October. Okay, so most of your corrections, all right, you're selling, most of your crashes will come. I'm not saying the market's going to crash, all right? I'm not saying that, but most of your corrections, your selling will come in the summer months. So this is, if we start to see more selling, just be aware of that. We want to get out of the way, all right, if that selling starts. So if these trades are closing, get out, protect your capital. So Amazon, red candle here. So buy signal, 192, close today, red candle. We use that. That's the same as a sell signal at 187.93, close the trade. So Amazon, all right, that's done. ANET, keep an eye on it. White candle here, keep an eye. APO, that's holding for now. ARM, white candle, keep an eye on it. Buy signal here, right? It's holding right there. We need a bounce. So the market moves up tomorrow, we could get a bounce. AX, this is a new one we added. This is financials. And as you know, it's in Bullmaster Pro, but it is small cap and financials. Guys, it's held up. It's one of the only ones that's up. All right, we have a couple more here, but right, held up really, really well. Okay, all right, BROS, that's holding. Coke is holding. FORM, red candle here, guys, failed to stay above resistance. Buy signal was here at right around 59. All right, close today, 57, red candle, close the trade. We don't have any support. Let me show you guys this. We don't have any real support. We have some support here, but we don't have any real support till about right here. All right, so we can see that selling come all the way down here. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but boy, Let me show you guys this here. This is why we want to, when we get these red triggers, sales triggers, get out. So here, sellers are coming in. That's a big red candle there. All right, we could see sellers come all the way back down. Support is all the way down here. 57, it closed that support. Next levels of support is around 40, let's say 39, 37, 40, right about in there. Okay, so close the trade. There will be other opportunities, okay? Goldman Sachs, that's financials. That held up pretty well today. All right, that's holding. Microsoft, this is not good. This is Magnificent 7, all right, AI, and it gave a sell signal, all right? So Microsoft sell signal. Buy signal was at 429. That's a reaccumulation phase. Close today at 440. All right. So 428, 429, 440, 441. Close the trade. That's done. And that is a concern. That is a concern. NVIDIA also closed. All right. That's also a concern. All right, so buy signal was at, after the split, at 103, right about there. Broke support, all right, we talked about this last night, that it needed to hold support. And guess what? Gap down overnight. All right, red candle here, sell signal. No, a perfect sell signal right on the break of this support. Red candle, sell signal, good exit. All right, but out of the trade. Now, if it starts to move higher, gets back, in this case, we'll have to get back above 40 to get another buy signal, but it's done for now. What we hope now is that it goes down, all right, and we can buy back later cheaper, okay? PIPR, that's holding. All right, PLTR, that's holding. ROL holding. Tesla is holding for now. A lot of resistance in here. All right, I would say a white candle come in. You might want to just close the trade. All right, under some pressure. The whole sector, Nasdaq is under some pressure. So just be aware of that. Okay, a lot will have to happen for Tesla to get past this area here, especially right now. ZETA, all right, that's breaking out here. Good trade going here for tech. Buy signal here, holding firm, okay? All right, so that's Bullmaster Pro. Let's take a quick look at the Magnificent 7. And then we'll take a look at Forex and the US 30. So, well, let's do the Mag 7. All right, so let's, all right, right here. Okay, so guys, the Magnificent 7, right? Those are your 7 most strongest companies. This is what's been leading the market. If these fail, right, guess what? If they fail, the market's going down. That's the bottom line. These small caps, they don't have enough capital to hold the market. So, right, so really technology that's the top sector. Okay, so, and these stocks are in tech. So if they go, there goes the market, okay? We'll still trade the price action, but we always want to just keep that in the back of our minds so that we're not caught off guard, okay? So Microsoft gave a sell signal today, okay? So here's our sell signal here on Microsoft. Just make a mental note. Google is holding so far Apple is holding. Tesla is holding. All right. Facebook Meta give a sell signal, failed to stay above resistance here. Okay. Let me open this up so you guys can see. All right. So Meta here. And then NVIDIA also gave a sell signal. So out of the 7, we've got 1 sell signal, 2 sell signals, and then Microsoft 3. So 3 out of the 4, all right, have sell signals. Okay, so just be aware of that. And they were down big. If we get more sell signals, more of these, right, big stocks giving sell signals, that's a real concern. Okay, all right. Our US 30 traders, those of you who took the US 30 trade, great job. That's the Dow, and we know the Dow is breaking out, okay? This is an amazing trade, all right? I can't even count the amount of money here. It's a lot of money, okay? So on the 60-minute time frame, we got a buy signal here. That buy signal came in all the way on July the 10th, and it's still holding. What's today? The 17th, okay? That's rare to see a trade last this long, especially the US 30 on the 60-minute time frame. That's a great trade, still holding. So those of you who US 30 traders, if you're in it, good job. All right. On the daily time frame, still looks good. All right. Here's the breakout here on the daily. This is an early move. Okay, so still has room to move. All right, early move on the daily and holding really, really well on the 60-minute, all yellow support and resistance lines, all green candles, nothing to do. Currently, we've got higher lows and holding firm, no support and resistance here, so it can move much higher. Now, for our US 30 traders, we have data coming out, all right? So that can really, all right, could interfere with the trade. So tomorrow morning in the New York session, we've got CPI numbers, all right? So Thursday, July the 11th, all right, we've got CPI numbers, and we've got unemployment claims right at 8:30. So those of you guys know we're paying more attention now to this data. Okay, they will interfere with your trade. So those of you trading the US 30 in particular, all right, be aware data is coming out. New York session 8:30. Okay, but great trade, good job taking the trade. Okay, the NAS 100, right? The previous long was right here. No longs, no more longs for now. Be careful going short. I know some of you trade on the very small time frame. Okay, that's fine. You're trading on a smaller time frame. But those of you who trade on the 60-minute, I would wait for, because we could get a bounce here on the daily. So be careful going short there. Same with the S&P. All right, same with the S&P. The overall trend is still long, guys. We're still long. I know everything looks bearish right now, but it can change. Things can change quickly, okay? Monster Scalper. I want us to look for some opportunities in Monster Scalper, possibly to go short. So let's see if we can find some short opportunities. Great short there with Aussie Swiss. New Zealand Swiss, great short. All right, we'll call ZAR yen on the 60. Now it's gone down a bit. So I would trade lightly. So ZAR yen short on the 60 minute in monster scalper, okay? All right, on the daily time frame, we've got sellers coming in here on the daily. Okay, so you guys see that red candles coming in there on the daily. And these yen pairs have been overbought. The sell short signal is here, but here it is right now, breaking new support levels here. So that's redistribution. Again, it's gone down a bit, but hopefully we get another trade like this here. Okay, so ZAR yen short in monster scalper. Okay. All right, USD JPY, we're going to call this one also. Sellers are coming in on the daily, okay, on the daily. Looks good on the daily. Sell short signal is right here, all right here. Breaking support right now, all right, so this is timely. As USD JPY short on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, now it's gone down a bit, but we needed confirmation, guys, on these, because you guys know these yen pairs have been really strong. So we want wet, all right, to really go short. So looks like they're right now they're ready to go short. Okay, so you might miss a bit, but at least we've got good confirmation. USD JPY short in monster scalper. Okay. We're gonna add TRY. We haven't traded TRY in a while, but we got good price action. Sellers are coming in on the daily. Sell short signal. We got a sell short signal on the daily right here. Looks good. On our trading window, 60-minute sell short signal here. And it is breaking down right now, guys. So the Asian market, what time is it? Asian market is opening up. These are the yen pairs. So there's no data coming out in the Asian market, I don't believe. Wednesday, no. All right, so should be all clear. TRY, JPY, 60, short. Finally got some shorts, huh? In monster scalper, okay? And sell short signal on, all right, New Zealand yen, all right? So right now, New Zealand sell short signal here on the daily. Look at that. Taj, look at that. On the daily here, sell short signal. And here's the sell short signal. Nice break here. Redistribution. NZD, JPY, 60-minute short. Monster scalper, okay? And we've got the VIX. VIX is moving higher. Large caps are coming down, so might have something going here. Same thing here with HKD, JPY. All right, sellers are coming in here. On the daily, guys, we don't have any support. We have some support here, but boy, if that breaks through, next support area is all the way down here. Long way. All right. Moved up nicely. Hopefully comes down nicely too. HKD, JPY, short, 60-minute. Monster scalper, okay? HKD, JPY, daily looks good, and then here is your trading window, 60-minute. Our pound yen, all right? Sell short signal is here, all right? Now we don't have a red candle here, all right? On the daily, we've got a white candle. We'll take that, okay? Good price action. pound yen, GBP, JPY. So we do have, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs, yen pairs so far with sell short signals. So we need a few more to call a rotation. Okay, so let's see here. Euro yen, we got another one here. Red candle coming in. This is very timely. Red candle coming in right there on the daily. Sell short signal right here on a break of support. Redistribution, that's happening right now. Okay, so Euro, EUR, JPY, short in monster scalper. Okay, Swiss yen, no sell short signal yet. That should come in soon on a break of support here. Okay, red candles are coming in right on that daily time frame. Okay, that's Swiss yen. CAD yen, all right, CAD yen looks good. And these yen pairs will move, guys, especially down. They will move. All right, it's like taking an escalator up, elevator down. All right, they move up slowly, but boy, they come down. So these shorts, if they work out, you can do really well. So CAD yen, CAD, JPY, 60-minute short in monster scalper. Okay, all right. All right, great short going here so far. CAD yen and Aussie yen. Aussie yen, guys, that's too bad. It's just gone. Right? It's sell short signal was all the way up here. I mean, if the short signal was here, that right in here, that's fine. But great short though. So sell short signal was all the way up here. This was one of the first ones. Okay, but you gotta let it go. Let the first one go, and then come in later. Okay, we need confirmation. But good short going here, guys. And that's on that 60-minute. Think about that's a great trade so far. That's for about 400 pips so far. And it hasn't even fallen yet on the daily. All right, great trade going here. All right, so let's go back here. Let's see, we can find nothing here. All right, that's gone already. Okay, the dollar pairs short. Let's stick with the yen pairs. The yen pairs are going down. The dollar pairs could go up. You see the euro pairs are going up here. Let's see if we can find some longs on the 60-minute. All right, we're going to add euro dollar long. So EUR USD on the 60-minute long. Find one direction, guys. We'll send these out, but just find one direction. On the long side, the daily time frame has a buy signal here, and it's breaking resistance here, getting out of that box. Resistance, support, it's breaking out. So euro, dollar, that's not your best trade though. Okay, your best trade are the shorts. EUR, TRY, sometimes this will do really well. Okay. All right, let's see here. It's gone too far on the 60-minute. Hold on. Nothing here. All right. Your best trade are the shorts. Okay. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Solomon, welcome. All right, so stick with the shorts, yen shorts. Let's take a look at the 240 on the yen. So ZAR yen, that's gone too far. Dollar yen, that's gone too far. Oh, the 240, they're gone on the 240, guys. New Zealand yen, that's gone on the 240. HKD, they're all gone too far on the 240. Pound yen is still good. Okay, so pound yen, GBP, but tons of opportunities on the 60. We've got almost 10 shorts on the 60 for the yen pairs. So pound yen, 240 short, monster scalper. Okay. Euro yen, that euro yen, guys, that's gone a little too far. Right in here would have been okay. All the way down here, that's gone too far. The sell short signal came in here. Okay. Don't feel bad if missing this, guys, because we need further confirmation with this move. Okay, it's been tricky, right? With these yen pairs continuing to move higher. So don't feel bad if you've missed it on the 240. Just capture it on the 60. Okay. So euro yen, pass on that one. Swiss yen, still good. All right, we've got support right here. Redistribution hasn't broken down yet. So Swiss yen, CHF, JPY on the 240 short. Monster scalper. Okay. CAD yen, that's gone. Okay. If you guys caught any of these shorts, good job. Okay. So sell short signal here, all the way down here. That's near support already. So that's too late for that. But great trades. Good trades. Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen, that's gone. Sell short signal is here, all the way down here, near support. Notice, guys, notice this, how it took from July the 12th, all right, all the way up, June the 12th, all the way to, this is, made a high here, right around July the 11th, so almost a month. And guess what? It took a month to go from here. Hold on. So when I say they take an escalator up and an elevator down, it's so true. All right. So it took about a month to get from here to here. Now we would have a buy signal. I'm not showing it on the long side, but let me do that. Aussie yen. So look at this. So Aussie yen, there was our buy signal here. From here to here was the buy signal. To buy here, get out here. That took about a month. Okay, and then the short, so this was the buy, bought here, got out here, and now here's the short signal to go short here. From here to here took a month. From here to here, almost the same right here, took about a week. Okay, so they will come down a lot faster than they go up. So the shorts, you can do well on the shorts. Make sure you close the longs, get out. All right, and then be careful with the shorts because they're violent, right? They can move down really, really fast. So if you're not quick, they can get away from you, okay? So Aussie yen, that's gone. Monster Forex dominator, let's see if we've any of the shorts are ready. All right, so Aussie yen Forex dominator, we just need a sell short signal there. That's not ready. So they're coming in, sellers are coming in. And guys, especially when this is happening in July, June, July, August, all right, they're due for a big pullback. All right, so no sell short signals yet, but they're coming in. So those of you who trade in Forex Dominator, just be on alert. New Zealand yen, we're going to add New Zealand yen short. So we have a sell short signal came in right here. So New Zealand NZD JPY short on in Forex Dominator. It's on the daily time frame. TRY, guys, that's a very, I know we have a short here. Now, TRY will do its own thing, okay? And, I mean, it's trading right in the markdown phase. I mean, it can certainly move lower, but that's high risk, okay? Because, all right, it's not coming from the markup phase, that distribution phase up here, okay? It's all the way down here. So we could see buyers come back in, and so, it could break support and move lower, but we don't normally trade this too much, okay? I think that's it, okay? So your opportunities right now, hopefully it lasts, all right? Hopefully this lasts, but the yen short, okay? So the yen pairs short. That's the trade right now. We'll see how long it lasts, okay? Because this market has been strong, and I'm not convinced yet that, the buyers are going to give up. So just be aware of that. I want to take a quick look at the dollar index. And then we'll be done. We'll take a look at equities tomorrow. Okay. Dollar index. So Monster Futures, the dollar index is going lower here. Currently down and is breaking support here. Okay. Very choppy, so we will look for some dollar pairs short, okay? So it is going short, and there are times when the yen pairs and the yen and the dollar will go together. So let's go back to the dollar pairs. And then we'll be done. All right. All right, so take a second look here. USD JPY, that's low in. It's got a sell short signal here. Very low in the markdown phase. It's had some great shots already. Right here. Sell short signal is there. That's gone down quite a bit already. USD, SEK, nothing there. All right, nothing here. Just want to make sure. All right, the shorts, they've shorted this already. Right here, that's done. That's done. Nothing here. All right, good short going here. Dollar Swiss, but that's gone. And on that daily, it is holding support here on that daily right here. So, all right, I thought might have missed something here with the dollar pair. So we're not missing nothing here. So just the yen pairs, and just hope, right, that the move continues short in the yen pairs. Okay, guys. Large caps, those of you trading Bullmaster Pro, just be aware, sellers are coming in. All right, sellers are coming in. Some of these magnificent 7 stocks, what we said, 3 or 4 of them have already closed. Small caps are trying to hold, but if the S&P turns, right, Nasdaq turns, we don't see that yet in the price action, but it can happen quickly. Okay. So it will happen with the stocks first. On the way down, the stocks will start to close, then the indexes. On the way up, generally the indexes will lead first, then the stocks. Okay, that's the way it works. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Big news day tomorrow. So our Forex traders in the New York session, be aware of the data, and especially our US 30 traders. All right, nothing to do with the NAS and the S&P. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for coming. All right, find your opportunities. All right, whether it's equities, Forex, E-minis, find your spot. Okay, guys, take care. Bye-bye. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.